Howdy folks, just an update here. That video, I mean, probably not even an hour after I posted that video, the sound just stopped. I mean, you can hear the wind through the trees and that's like it. Neighbors mowing the yard, but I mean, that hum just stopped. It was crazy. I don't know, it's wild. Check out my last short and compare the sound. This is nothing but wind. That's so crazy. I don't know, anyone else around in the Appalachian area, southeast Kentucky, hear any strange stuff? I don't know, leave me some comments below, let me know. Thank you folks.